You don't need a ChatGPT to solve this problem. 1 over 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 1 over 81 to the power of 2. So what is the value for x? So in order to find x, the first thing I can do is I can just move this number to numerator. So it's going to be 3 to the power of 3x, but the sign for the power changes. So it's going to be negative 3x, right? It is equal to, I do the same thing for 81 to the power of 2. So it's going to be 81 to the power of negative 2, right? So now when I see 81, I can just somehow change it to 3 because I have to make the bases the same. So 81 is actually 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It is 81, right? So I can just write it as 3 to the power of 4, right? I can do that. So I'm going to plug in 3 to the power of 4 here. So I say 3 to the power of negative 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 4 all to the power of negative 2. So now if you notice, it is power to the power. So there's the power at the top of the power. So when we have a situation like this, we can just multiply the powers. So it's going to be 3 to the power of negative 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, right? So when the bases are the same, so I have 3 in both sides, I can just ignore them and I can just put the powers equal to each other. So it's going to be negative 3x equal to negative 8, right? So it's just a simple equation. So I have to divide both sides to negative 3 because I just want to destroy the negative 3. So both sides divided by negative 3. So it's going to be negative 3x over negative 3 is equal to negative 8 over negative 3. So these negative 3's cancels out and x is just equal to negative is positive. So positive 8 over 3. So our final answer is 8 over 3.